Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see how much time you spent on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings. Okay, then scroll down, tap on battery option. Okay, check battery. Okay, then back and last 24 hours screen off and show activity, Facebook and a football game, TikTok, Messenger, Chrome, Snapchat, Instagram, settings and all, and just check last 10 days. Okay, Friday screen on 10 hour, Sunday 10 hour, 4 hour. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.